All right, so we had one person request to do 6. So we have input, then we have our function, and then we have output, and then we have to graph. So a lot going on here. What are our inputs for number 6? That's yours. You can do whatever you want with it. Yeah, you can throw it away if you want. Yeah, I'd hold on to it.
Guys, make sure you get your education.
There you go. Wise words from Z. 0, 1, and 2. Good. So those are all of our inputs right there. -2, -1, 0, 1, and 2. They give them to you up top. Now, we plug them into our formula, our equation, right? Our equation says -2x plus 3. What do we replace the x with? Yeah, with the -2 with all of our inputs, right? So let's go ahead and I'm going to go ahead and write that out. Parentheses plus 3, -2, parentheses plus 3. Now, you don't have to write it this way. I write it this way to kind of keep myself organized and to keep my students organized. So again, we're putting our input inside our parentheses. So -2, -1, 0, 1, and 2. All right, from here, we need to plug this into our calculator to get our output. So if you want to do it in your head, -2 times -2 is 4. 4 plus 3 is 7. 7. Is that what you got, Dubray?
Yeah.
7? All right. How about this, Dubray? How about -2 times -1? You're good. Can anybody tell me what's -2 times -1? -2. Positive 2. What's 2 plus 3? 5. Good. Notice what they're doing, right? We just went down by 2. Guess what this one's going to be? 3, of course. What about the next one? 1. What about the last one? Negative?
0.
There's no such thing as -0. -1. Yeah, if you start to pick up on the pattern, then you can just kind of get the answer that way. So 7, 5, 3, 1. From there, you have to graph. So at -2, I go to 7. At -2, I go to 7. At -1, I go to 5. At 0, I go to 3. At 1, I go to 1. And at 2, I go to -1. And then from there, you just connect your dots. And that would be your answer. So all of that kind of encompasses the whole answer. We have our inputs, which were given to us. We plugged our inputs into our equation. From our equation, we got our outputs, and then we just looked to graph those. So that was -2, 7. -1, 5. 0, 3. 1, 1. And 2, -1. And then we just graph those points and we make our line. All right. Make sure you study hard for the quiz tomorrow. May your hard work pay off.